Galure babes, and welcome back to the channel. So today I want to do something a little bit different since I am going to be filming mostly all today. I wanted to do a little hair tutorial. I've been natural for maybe like 2 to 3 years. My hair is like probably in the middle of my back. I have not straightened my hair yet. I have not put heat to it yet either, but this is what we're looking like. I'm fresh out of bed, nothing, just this is what my hair looks like. I'm a 4C kind of girl, so I'm just gonna do my everyday go-to quick hairstyle. So the things that I need, and some things I think you would need, I always get like you can use a towel, but right now I'm just using a shirt that needs to be washed. You're going to need your water bottle, oil, your favorite hair product, whether it's cream, gel, whatever. I do take a little bit of gel and edge control just to further the slick, a brush, and then a little scrunchie, and you already know we have to do the edge brush. So for this, I'm just gonna take this water bottle, and I always spray my hair just because water is nutrients for my hair. Like, water just makes my curls pop. It gets everything loose and moving in there, and it makes it a little bit more easier for me to work with my hair compared to it just being straight up dry. Okay, so I'm gonna spray this, and when I spray it on, I like to rub it into I don't want to say demat, but like to get them other curls in there that needs to separate from each other, those pieces. And I don't fully drench my head. I just make sure things can move. Once I feel like my hair is fully saturated, I literally just start pulling apart my hair. But yeah, so once I get it movable like this, I like to go in and just put some oil on my hair because my scalp be so dry. So I really like to work this into my scalp. Now for me, I'm still going through the hair process, so I'm using, I don't know what works best for my hair. I don't know if it's cream, gel, but that's the process that I'm trying to go through with my hair. But for right now, I'm using the Cream of Nature Moisture Recovery Leave-In Milk. Y'all, let me tell you something. This stuff is stink. I hate this stuff. It smells awful. I really dislike this, but my mom brought it for me thinking it was gonna help with the curls and everything, and I just do it as if I was like rubbing my face. So I just ooh, and then I do the back, and then this is how I work my product into my hair, y'all. Okay, I'm so tired of my hair. It's crazy. I know I'm never going to get a perm, but I'm just over it. I'm going to take this Clear Ice Ultra Hold Protection Styling Gel. Y'all, this do not do nothing for my hair. Y'all, let me tell you. This don't do nothing for my hair. My hair look at this like, oh, you supposed to hold me? Baby, this clocks out. This don't do nothing for my hair. The only thing it does is make my hair like look extra like wavy and like smooth. But as far as like it actually being a gel and holding for my hair be like, okay. And then I also put some in the back for that kitchen. So yeah, I'm gonna take a brush and brush my hair now. For you guys tuning in, please hold me accountable for my 2-week upload. Okay, if I am not uploading, come for my neck. Okay, come for my neck. And I also do my kitchen. Come for my neck. But yeah, I just want to let you guys know that I am trying to stick to a 2-week upload schedule, and I just wanted to let you guys know that if I do post an extra video, it's because I was able to film an extra video, get it edited, and post it for you guys. But definitely look forward to a video from me every 2 weeks due to my schedule. And I just want to let you know that, because I don't want you guys like being like, dang, like it's been, she already gave us her 2-week upload, but she uploaded more. But oh shoot, oh my god. Okay, you already got a little stuff. But yeah, so if you see extra uploads from me, that is why. And then this scrunchies from Walgreens, you can get it from a beauty supply store. And then what I do, I put it from the back of my head, I take it, just twist it, and baby, I pull my hair on through. I just pull my hair on through and move it out the way. And then I try to catch it with the first one that went around my head, and then all we do is push it up. Push it. Oh, my head is itchy. Oh, push it up. Push it up, push it up, push it up, push it up. And then I usually don't wear my hair as high as this, because I just don't. But I did this a couple weekends ago, and I was like really feeling it. I'm looking at my mirror, sorry y'all. But yeah, and then all I do is just pluck it out, fluff it out. I mean, I just fluff it to my desired. Once I do that, I just take my little pieces on the side. My sideburns are so long, like this is all my sideburn hair right here, and I literally just twist it. I do the same thing on the other side. I just twist it. I feel like this is like, nice and girly, so that's why I always do it. Then I take a couple more pieces and then I just twist it. I feel like it just adds a nice cute little touch. I wish mine was longer though, but it gives me like a nice little baby curl. Who the hell is the, oh, okay. Take this Murray's Edge Wax. Y'all, it don't work either. I'm gonna be quite honest, y'all. When it comes to like edge controls, I still am on the hunt. Nothing holds my hair, and everyone can't just be using Got To Be. Like Got To Be sometimes may snatch out the edges, but yeah, Got To Be holds my hair if I apply it correctly. If I don't, my hair will just curl up back to its state, even with the Got To Be. And Got To Be holding our wigs down. I used to never believe this, but this little brush that be at the checkout at your beauty supply store, y'all, is bomb. I definitely recommend you guys getting it. And then I just do my edges. But yeah, I just do, oh, swimming. Yeah, I just do my edges, y'all. Nothing too